Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping quickly. Equip your shovel or pickaxe and one torch because light reveals hidden spots. Move to known apple spawn zones under trees, near exposed roots, or in soft dirt patches and start a systematic sweep. Once done, clear a 2x2 area and dig in short bursts so you don't waste tool durability. Alternating sprint with crouch helps check tight crevices. Make sure to keep inventory free. If full, drop non-essential items before you continue digging. You now execute a focused grid search to increase yield. Mark 3x3 sections and dig the center tile first, which statistically uncovers buried apples faster. While digging, listen closely for subtle audio cues that indicate nearby items and increase your torch radius to reveal changes in ground texture. If you find darker soil patches, prioritize those since they commonly hide loot. Make sure to pick up items immediately to avoid despawn. Swap tools if durability drops and return to the last undug center. You finish by interacting with the discovered item to claim the apple and immediately check that it went into your inventory quick slot for fast use. If the apple is invisible or won't pick up, relog and reload the area, then raise render distance or toggle lighting to force an entity refresh. Make sure to retrace the same dig spot if needed. If the problem persists, report the bug to the server with the time, map location, and exact steps so developers can reproduce and fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.